How to join someone in the Roblox without being friends with them. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can do this easily. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to go in the search, and here you have to search the person name that you want to add, and you have to make sure that you add in the person. So here is all of the people's result for that specific person, and here you have to select the person ID that you want to add. So once you are in, as you can see that there is no option to join. So what you have to do is simply click on these three dots, and from here you have to go in the follow the person. So once the other person accept your follow request, you are able to being friends with them. Or you can also click on this add friend option, because the Roblox doesn't give you any specific option to add the person without giving them follow request. So this is the only option that you can being friends with them. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.